कहाँ
19308 will be the target. Entry price
तो पानी पी सकती हो नहीं? चलो मैं तुम जा रहा हूँ
19534.
Fine. So this is the target if you are keeping 1:1 target, 1:1 risk reward. So let's say you want to keep a risk reward of 1:2. तो उस केस में target कितना होगा?
One 19596.
Fine. Okay, this is clear. Now, if I want to take a sell trade, then you tell me how it will work. What will be the stop loss? What will be the target if my risk reward is 1:1, right? See, my entry price will change, my stop loss will change, my targets will change, and my targets will change.
So entry price कम करेंगे.
हाँ, क्योंकि नीचे जाएगा ना, सेल प्राइस है ना, एंट्री प्राइस आपको कम करना पड़ेगा. जो भी आपका लो प्राइस है उससे नीचे का एंट्री प्राइस होगा.
पता है क्या है?
देखिए, एक तरीके से जैसे आपका मैथ्स में ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है ना, वही है इसमें. बस आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि जब बाई होगा तो क्या ऐड करना है, क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, और जब सेल में होगा तो क्या ऐड करना है, क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, राइट? वो जब आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा वो चीज.
So 15 points कम लेंगे, like सेल के टाइम पे 15 points ही कम करेंगे.
बफर आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है. 15, 10, 20, ऐसा नहीं है कि जो आपने एंट्री में लिया है वही आप नीचे सेल में भी लेंगे. उसमें आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. इसमें मार्केट में, शेयर स्टॉक मार्केट में पूरा फ्लेक्सिबल रहता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ स्पेसिफिक गाइडलाइंस हैं कि आपको यही फॉलो करना है. नहीं, यू कैन फॉलो योर ओन स्ट्रेटजी, ओन सेटअप, ओन रूल्स.
Okay. One 1950504 will be the target.
आपने एंट्री के लिए
19442.
नहीं, एंट्री आपने देखिए, सेल में आपको लो प्राइस कंसीडर करना है, हाई प्राइस नहीं करना ना. तो आपको लो प्राइस के नीचे का एक आपको लेना होगा एंट्री प्राइस.
Uh, 19380.60.
एंट्री प्राइस के लिए
19318.
19318. ठीक है, आपका एंट्री प्राइस हो गया 19318. ठीक है, और स्टॉप लॉस क्या है आपका?
Stop loss 19308 will be the target.
No. First tell me stop loss कैसे लिया?
चलो टीवी देखो ना, मैं टैब देखो, मुझे क्लास करनी है कभी।
पहले आपको स्टॉप लॉस डिफाइन करना है, उसके बाद आपको टारगेट पे जाना है।
Okay.
मैं टैब से बोल रही हूँ, चुपचाप 5 मिनट बाद वहाँ से बना रही हूँ।
ठीक है, स्टॉप लॉस कैसे निकाला आपने? हाई प्लस लो, हाई माइनस लो डिवाइडेड बाय 2, राइट? स्टॉप लॉस दोनों सिनेरियो में सेम तरीके से कैलकुलेट होगा, बट ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा, बस इतना फर्क रहेगा उसमें। तो स्टॉप लॉस तो आपका 62 पॉइंट्स ही होगा, वो आपको एंट्री पॉइंट से -62 करना पड़ेगा, तो 19318 प्लस करना पड़ेगा। ये सेल है ना, तो 19318 प्लस 62 ये आपका स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा। 19318 प्लस 62 ये आपका स्टॉप लॉस हो गया। तो स्टॉप लॉस हो जाएगा आपका 19380, राइट? और टारगेट क्या होगा? टारगेट आपका नीचे की तरफ आ जाएगा, ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में आ जाएगा टारगेट से। तो आपने अगर 62 प्लस किया है तो टारगेट आपका माइनस में हो जाएगा 62, जो भी आपका एंट्री प्राइस है वहां से -62 में टारगेट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये हमारा सेल का सिनेरियो है। तो टारगेट क्या होगा? 19256, राइट? ठीक है, अभी एक और करते हैं, ठीक है?
40 सेकंड वेट करिए।
जब तक आप पूरा कैलकुलेट करके नहीं बताओ तब तक करते रहेंगे। ये देखिए, ये आपको हैमर लग रहा है? ये हैमर लग रहा है? तो इसको ले लीजिए, वाला हैमर है ना, इसका प्राइस नोट कर लीजिए आप। ओपन हाई लो क्लोज। ओपन प्राइस है 18186.15, हाई प्राइस है 18218.1, लो प्राइस है 18060.4, क्लोज प्राइस है 18203.4। अब मेरे को एंट्री प्राइस बता दीजिए, पहले आप कौन सा ट्रेड ले रहे हैं और एंट्री प्राइस बता दीजिए। आप क्या ले रहे हैं? बाय ट्रेड ले रहे हैं, पहले सेल ले रहे हैं?
बाय।
ठीक है, एंट्री प्राइस बता दीजिए।
18203।
सॉरी,
18203.10।
नहीं, बाइंग में आप कैसे करेंगे? वो तो आपका क्लोज प्राइस है ना, 18203 तो क्लोज प्राइस है आपका, राइट? आपको तो हाई प्राइस के ऊपर बाय ट्रेड लेना है ना। हाई प्राइस क्या है?
18218।
ये हाई प्राइस है, राइट?
हाँ।
इसके ऊपर आपको बाई का ट्रेड लेना है ना, तो एंट्री प्राइस क्या होगा आपका? क्या होगा एंट्री प्राइस?
18230।
हाँ, 18230। आपने 18203 बोला था।
सॉरी
18230। ठीक है, अब आप स्टॉप लॉस और टारगेट का बताइए।
बंद कर दिया। लो लो ना में देख के अगर लिखना है तो लिखो फ्रंट फुट वाला
बड़ी बोली लाइक
अपने आप ही तो कुछ किया करो हर वक्त मम्मी तुम्हारे पीछे पड़ती है
जल्दी बनाओ ना मुझे भूख लगी है
स्टॉप लॉस 78
अप्रोक्सीमेटली 78 पॉइंट्स आएगा
28.885
तो आप उसको राउंड ऑफ करके 79 कर लीजिए
पास्ता खाओगी मैगी बोलो ये वाला पास्ता
अब प्राइस पे कितना आएगा स्टॉप लॉस? ये तो आपका पॉइंट्स हो गया इतने पॉइंट्स से, बट प्राइस में कितना आएगा स्टॉप लॉस?
द एंट्री प्राइस प्लस द स्टॉप लॉस
स्टॉप लॉस तो माइनस में होगा ना, नीचे को होगा स्टॉप लॉस, राइट? क्योंकि आप बाई ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, बाई में आप ऐसे ध्यान रखिए ना, इसको देखिए बता देता हूँ। एक चार्ट एक बना के रख लीजिए अपने पास, अभी जब तक आपको प्रैक्टिस ना हो जाए तो आप ऐसे याद रखिए, बाई और सेल है, राइट? ये आपका स्टॉप लॉस है और ये आपका टारगेट है, ठीक है? तो बाइंग में हमेशा स्टॉप लॉस माइनस करना है और टारगेट प्लस करना है, और सेल में स्टॉप लॉस प्लस करना है और टारगेट माइनस करना है। ये आप ध्यान रखिए, एक चार्ट एक नोट कर लीजिए।
मैं फ्रेंड्स को ये बताना चाह रही हूँ कि टीहू की तबीयत खराब होती है ना, टीहू क्या करती है, कुछ खा तो लो, तो फिर वो तू ऐसे नहीं मानती। मैं पापा को बुलाती हूँ, जब भी बीमार होती है ना खाना पीना छोड़ देती है। पीयूष एक मिनट अंदर आओ, आओ तो सही। आपके लाडली बेटे को देखो क्या कर रही है, उसको बोलो ना कुछ खाए पिए। मैं ये बताना चाह रही हूँ फ्रेंड्स को कि टीहू के कितने नाटक होते हैं जब बीमार
ठीक है, तो आप इसको देख के आप कैलकुलेट करिए।
उन्हें कहना पानी के बाद
आज नारी की नींद ला रही हूँ
वो मतलब क्या बोले हमने वो भी नहीं आई
यार तो सुबह लेती है
ये क्या रखा है क्या बैगे बोला था क्या तेरे को
कमर दुख रही है, सिर दुख रहा है, बुखार हो रहा है, सब हो रहा है।
तो चलो फिर एक काम करते हैं
स्टॉप लॉस 1815
और टारगेट
फ्रेंड तो बिल्कुल रियल चल रहा है मैं उसको परेशान करूंगा आपको देखा देखा फिर दवाई ले आएंगे सर
दवाई लेकर आ जाना।
नीचे के
18309
1830 प्लस 79 18309, ठीक है? अब सेल का निकालिए।
हालत देखो भाई साहब क्या मतलब कैसी हालत
सेल में एंटी प्राइस बता दीजिएगा मेरे को।
दूसरा देखो टाई उतरी हुई बेल्ट उतरी हुई अब पीहू तो बोला
पीहू उठ जा बेटा।
हाँ वो सो गई वापस अच्छा उड़ गई
लो प्राइस से नीचे का ले गया और यहाँ पे एक टेबल और बना दीजिए एंट्री प्राइस। यहाँ पे बाइक के केस में आपको ऊपर का लेना है और सेल के केस में आपको नीचे का लेना है प्राइस।
दिखा दिया डॉक्टर को कुछ भी नहीं बोला क्या फ्रेंड्स मैं आपको बताऊं क्या हुआ डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि दवाई
So entry price 18045 18045
इसका लो प्राइस क्या था? 18060, ठीक है? एंट्री प्राइस ठीक है। अब स्टॉप लॉस और टारगेट निकाल दीजिए।
दवाई खानी है इसको भी नींद आ रही है डॉक्टर ने बोला है कि दवाई खानी है लेकिन दवाई खानी है खाना खाने के बाद तो इसलिए खाना खाना पड़ेगा यार दोनों करके भी नहीं चलेगा और उसमें पता है कितनी सारी दवाइयाँ लिखी हैं?
स्टॉप लॉस 18124
3 टैबलेट्स दिन में 2 बार।
स्टॉप लॉस कितना आया?
बीमार लोग घूमते
18124
बड़ा अच्छा गिफ्ट मिला है।
ठीक है।
अरे
and the target price will be 17966.
बच गई इंजेक्शन से तो।
ठीक है। अब टेबल ध्यान रखिए, टेबल ध्यान देगा तो आप कर देंगे इसे। ठीक है, टेबल ध्यान रखिएगा, नोट कर लीजिए कहीं। एक प्रिंट आउट लेके अपने जहाँ भी आप पढ़ते हैं, जहाँ भी रखते हैं वहाँ चिपका लीजिए, क्योंकि जब तक आपको प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगी तो आपको ये चार्ट यूज करना ही पड़ेगा लिखा हुआ। जब आपको माइंड में सेट हो जाएगा फिर आप कर सकते हो सारा, क्योंकि आपको इस चीज की प्रैक्टिस करते रहनी पड़ेगी, राइट। तो ये आपको क्लियर है हैमर कैसे ट्रेड करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, ठीक है। मैं आपको एक होमवर्क दे देता हूँ, एक कैंडल को आप जब नेक्स्ट क्लास में आएंगे तो आप करके लेके आइएगा, ठीक है। मैं आपको एक वो दे देता हूँ कैंडल। ये रब कर दूं, ये आपने नोट कर लिया ना?
हाँ।
आप मेरे को बताइए कौन सा हैमर है, मैं वही दे देता हूँ आपको।
अरे एक नहीं दो बच्चों को सब दे देना। 2 से रहता है, 3 तरह की गोलियां हैं।
दीदी आपको तो पेट इससे भर जाएगा।
इसमें है कोई हैमर?
है स्टार्ट में थोड़ा और दिस
अच्छा सुंदर गोली है।
ये हाँ ये कर लीजिए। देखिए हैमर्स होते हैं कुछ परफेक्ट हैमर्स होते हैं। जो परफेक्ट हैमर होगा वो आपको मैं बताएगा कैसा लगेगा। वो आपको इस टाइप से मतलब ऊपर स्पाइक नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे स्पाइक नहीं होगा। जो परफेक्ट हैमर जैसे ये देखिए इसमें ऊपर नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, तो दिस इज अ परफेक्ट हैमर, राइट। पर यहाँ पे देखिए हल्का सा स्पाइक निकला हुआ है, सो दिस मे नॉट बी ए परफेक्ट हैमर। सो क्योंकि देखिए आपने देखा हो घर में हल्का सा निकला है, ऐसा होता है हमारा टी शेप का होता है बेसिकली, राइट। तो ये आपको कंसीडर करना है, तो आप इसको कंसीडर कर सकते हैं हैमर को। तो आप इसका प्राइसेस नोट कर लीजिए एक बार।
मैं क्या बनूं ये बता दे। पिज्जा ये देखो कितना अच्छा भी नहीं है। काम तो बढ़िया है। हाँ लगा कुछ और दूर से बोलना क्या करूं।
इसका प्राइस नोट कर लीजिए।
ये क्या हो रहा है?
ओपन आई लुक उस प्राइस।
अरे तुम जीत जाओगे तुम दोनों मुझसे। तू कर क्या रहा है? क्या
मेरा फिंगर है एक लॉजिक की बात बनानी
नींबू का करना बस। आयु जब ऑलमोस्ट 2-2.5 साल का था तब से नींबू पानी बनाना सीख गया था, है ना मामा? एक बार मैं अपनी आयु की तबीयत खराब थी। हाँ। मैं डॉक्टर के पास गई। डॉक्टर ने मुझे बोला डॉक्टर इतना नींबू पानी दिया, मैं क्या करूँ? तो खांसी जुकाम हो रहा है। डॉक्टर तो खुश हो गई। बढ़िया
ओके डन।
फाइन। तो क्या नोट किया आपने प्राइसेस में? ओपन दी है 17731.5, हाई है 17755.7, एल है 17537.55 और क्लोज है 17662.15। तो इसमें आपको 2 सिनेरियोस कंसीडर करने हैं, हाई और सेल, और दोनों के केसेस में आपको स्टॉप लॉस निकालना है और टारगेट्स निकालने हैं। तो आप चार्ट जो मैंने आपको समझाया है वही चार्ट आप यूज करिएगा, ठीक है। कुछ और डाउट है आज के सेशन का? कोई भी डाउट है तो आप पूछ लीजिए।
नहीं क्लियर है।
क्लियर है, ठीक है। अच्छा ये आपके ग्रेजुएशन में आपने क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट्स थे, क्या क्या पढ़ा था आपने सब्जेक्ट्स, आपको ध्यान है?
हाँ लाइक अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट है फिलहाल तो, लाइक FY से लेके TY तक अभी तक।
हाँ तो अभी आपका रिसेंटली कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स हैं थर्ड ईयर में?
अकाउंट्स है, BRF है, देन इकोनॉमिक्स मार्केटिंग।
ओके। तो फाइनेंस का भी कोई सब्जेक्ट है या आपकी प्योर 100% कॉमर्स ही है, कुछ मिक्स भी है आपके?
नहीं है, फाइनेंस का कुछ रिलेटेड नहीं है।
ओके, पूरा कॉमर्स का है, राइट। मतलब आपका मैथ्स का बैकग्राउंड है बेसिकली, राइट। अकाउंट्स किया है आपने तो मतलब मैथ्स का बैकग्राउंड है आपका, राइट। मैं वही पूछना था, ठीक है। और ये मैंने आपको एक लिंक भेज दिया कोटेक सिक्योरिटीज का, तो ये आप देख लीजिएगा एक बार। इसमें आपके पास पैन कार्ड, आधार वगैरह होगा, राइट। So you can use that to open the account. So I think 2-3 दिन में account open हो जाएगा. So after that, once your account is open, we can do some kind of live trading. देख सकते हैं हम कैसे क्या करना है ना, तो उसमें आपको ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा. ठीक है. Any other questions?
नहीं.
ठीक है. कल किस टाइम करेंगे क्लास? Can you hear me okay, right?
Yes.
So, any doubt from the previous session? So I have given you some homework, right? So you tried it?
Yes, I did.
तुम्हारे आईफोन में लगेगा वो फिर
So can you explain me how you did and how you calculated the targets and stop loss?
Yes.
मैंने दूर से करी थी रिकॉर्डिंग, मतलब
दूर से पता चलता है पास में
बहुत दूर से करी थी, मतलब शीला दूसरे कमरे में थी, मैं दूसरे कमरे में था, तो टेस्टिंग करी.
आई थिंक कुछ डिस्टेंस भी दिया वाला मैं याद नहीं कितना है 50-20 मीटर या 50.
और मैंने फिर बाहर बालकनी में खड़े होकर भी की मैंने, और शायद अंदर थी, मतलब नॉइज कैंसलेशन भी है उसमें, मतलब थोड़ा सा है शायद.
तो थोड़ी दूरी में दूर जाओगे तो शायद पास में भी है.
नहीं, मतलब आइडिया होता है ना कि जैसे हम भीड़ भाड़ में अगर वीडियो बना रहे हैं
वो तो सॉफ्टवेयर से करना पड़ेगा. तो
Okay,
ये
now you
पता
can
नहीं
explain
होगा.
me how you did. What was the
सॉफ्टवेयर में ऑप्शन आता है
high price and low price, and at what price you took the entry, and what is the stop loss, and what are the targets?
650 का लेना चाहिए आपको 650.
हाँ तो मैं
So the high price was 17735.70.
नहीं ना पैसे नहीं नहीं पैसे नहीं देना वो.
Okay.
बता रहा तो मैं दे रही हूँ. पैसे नहीं. अरे भाई पैसे वैसे मत देना.
And the low price was 17537.
बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था मुझे फ्री करने
हाँ तो वही कह रहा फ्री का मिलेगा ना. आपको पैसे नहीं देना ही है.
2 साल पहले.
वाला मैंने उससे पहले लिया था वो टूट गया था.
In case of buying,
मजा नहीं आ रहा
I
था, तो
took the
करंट मना हो
entry
गया
की
वैसे भी.
क्या रिकॉर्डिंग वाला
entry price
करते हैं लोग, लेकिन वो
17750.
सुबह जल्दी आके करके निकल जाते हैं, वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करके निकल जाते हैं.
क्यों मना क्या हो गया.
So
जब से इंटरनेशनल योगा
the
डे
stop
हुआ है तब
loss
से मना
is 17651.
तब से मना हो.
How you calculated the stop loss?
क्या चाहिए?
First I subtracted high price from low price.
भैया ने खाया था.
So the answer was 1988.15.
मैंने शाम को खाया था. तुम शाम को थी घर में.
Then divided by 2.
6 बजे खाया था मैंने.
99.07.
अभी जल्दी दो मुझे भूख लगी है.
देखता हूँ कितना खा.
So you
So
are
the stop
starting
loss
with
ज़्यादा खा के दिखा देना.
how much? 17750 minus 99, right?
आगे भी आगे.
So it is 17651.
Fine.
अरे no.
And the target is 17849.
खिलाओ ना. First you make खिलाओ. This pasta is only for me.
Fine. This is correct. And what about sell?
I took the entry price 17647.
See this is the pasta.
Check once again.
It should be water.
If you want that, I can write it also.
17647.
No.
तुम ये खा लो तो मैं
Check,
जाएगा.
check it again.
गरम ना. I wanna be over.
Compare with the buying price also. Compare with the buying price, right? And this is sell, not buy. I have given you one chart, right?
So I took the lower price.
So you have to take the entry below the lower price, right?
Yes.
But you took the entry at 17,600.
I added.
How? Why? Really? She always change her best friend. No, why? And she was like, okay, Anisha is my best friend. After
Will be 17522.
no, now where is my best friend?
The entry price.
Small kids don't know.
7522. Okay.
So the stop loss will be 17621.
Okay, fine. And target?
And 17449.
This is clear to you right now. How to trade hammer, right?
Yes.
Mostly kitchen only.
So now second condition in hammer. So first condition you understood, right?
Yes.
So second condition in hammer is this hammer can be like this, like the normal hammer, or it can be the inverted hammer, right? There are two types of hammer here. Normal hammer and inverted hammer. Right. So you have to trade in the same fashion, whether it's a normal hammer or it's an inverted hammer. You have to trade in the same manner, right? Third condition is, see, you have to remember all these conditions. Whenever you want to take a trade on hammer, you have to remember all these conditions, right? Third condition is, you have to trade hammer only when there is a change in trend. Change in trend means, see, if the price is going down, this is called as down trend. And whenever the price is going toward the upside, this is called as uptrend, right?
Yes.
So, I will show you in chart. So you always have to trade the hammer only when there is a change in trend.
You will eat? What?
So you can see here one hammer, right?
Yes.
And this is called as downtrend, means continuously the price is falling. Right, you can see here the chart.
I'm so hungry.
Continuous, the price is falling from here till here.
Now the
So there is one more way to see the downtrend. Once you take your cursor here, you can see that the high price is 18432, and then you can see that the price is coming down continuously, right? So there are three candles, three red candles. That means the downtrend is going on. So once there is a downtrend, and after that, if you see the hammer, then only you have to take the trade based on the first condition, which you take one example, right? High, low, you have calculated stop loss and targets, right? So whenever you see a downtrend and a hammer is formed, at that time you have to calculate your trade, right? So in this case, if you see this hammer is formed and you can see the prices, right? Can you note down the high and low prices of this hammer?
yes.
सिर्फ दिमाग खाने में लगा हुआ है अब डब्बा भी हाथ मत लगा रहे चलो क्रीम तो मिल गई
गेम तो इंटरेस्टिंग है लेकिन ना एक काम करते हैं कैमरा तू पकड़ ले तो मेरे दिमाग पे गया
Okay, so now you have to create this hammer because there was a downtrend and now a hammer is formed. So formation of a hammer means that now there might be a change in trend. Okay, so now you have to put your trades. Like you have to put a price at the top of the high price. What is the high price? 18218 and low price is 18060, right? So you have to put your triggers at the high price and the low price. Whichever side it will trigger, you have to take the trade. See, it can hit on the upside as well as on the downside, right? You never know which side it is going to take, whether upside or downside. So you have to mark your trades. High is 18218. So you have to set your trade trigger point around how much point? 18230, right? 18230 will be your buying price, right?
आवाज कम करो ना टीवी की.
I have taken some buffer, right? It's clear, right? Clear to you now? And what is the low price? 18060. So for selling, what will be my trigger point?
What more?
I
What
did not
will be
get
my
it.
trigger point for sell? If I want to take a sell trade, what should be my trigger price?
18045.
Yeah, right. So you have to set two conditions in the system, or maybe you can continuous watch it, or you can put some notification in the system. That I will teach you how to put the notification, but you have to watch this out, right? So now whichever side the price will go, you have to take the trade. If it goes beyond 18230, you have to take a buy trade. If it goes below 1805, you have to take the short trade, right?
Okay.
So in this case, you can see that the high price is crossed, right? You can see in the next candle, the high price is crossed, right? You can see this candle, right? What was my high price? This one, right?
1821.
Right? This was my high price. So once this price is crossed, I can take a buy trading.
Okay.
Fine. So can you tell me what is the stop loss in this case? Because we have taken a buy trade here, so just tell me only for buy trade.
The which we did previously, like 18230.
See, 230 is the entry point,
Yes.
and you have, based on the entry point, you have to calculate the stop loss. See, wherever you find the hammer, you have to calculate in the same fashion. Entry, targets, and stop losses.
It will be 18151.
1 second. High minus low is how much it is coming? Approximately 155, right? 155 divided by 2. Approximately 77 points, right? Stop loss?
I got 79.
It's fine. 79 is the stop loss, and target will also be 79, right? So stop loss will be 18230 minus 79, right?
Yes.
So how much is that figure?
18151.
18151. So let's see on the next candle whether our stop loss hits first or what happens. See. So to see whether your stop loss was hit or not, you can see the low of that candle, right? So the low of the next candle is 18718.
71.
But your stop loss was 18151. So it didn't hit your stop loss, right?
Okay.
And what was your target? 18230 plus 79. So how much it will come?
18309.
So let's see on that candle whether the target is hit or not. See, it made a high of 18335. So your target was hit 18309, right? So this is how, see, this is all I'm just showing you on the chart. Once you open your account, at that time we can do the live trading also, so that you will easily understand at that time, right? So this calculation is clear how to see on the chart. Whenever there is a downtrend, then only you have to take the hammer. See, hammer can be formed at any point of time, whether it's a downtrend, flat, or anything, right? But you always have to take a trade whenever a hammer is formed on the downtrend. Okay, first. So this downtrend scenario is clear, or any doubt on this?
No, it's clear.
Clear? Fine. Now we will try to find a uptrend. Right? And one more thing, see, this hammer can be formed like this or it can be like this also. It doesn't matter. It has to be a hammer, that's it. Whether hammer or inverted hammer, it doesn't matter. Just downtrend and the hammer, that's it. So now we will try to find one uptrend, right? See, in this case you can see, right? This is also kind of hammer, right? You can see there is a uptrend here.
Yes.
So one hammer is formed here and one hammer is formed here, right? Two hammers are here. So here, if you have taken the trade, your stop loss will hit here, right? Because it caused the high price. So now just do the calculation on first this hammer and then the second hammer. So first you do the calculation on this hammer, right? This one. So you can note down the price.
गंदी बात नहीं अगर मैं और काम कर रहा हूँ ना जाओ
जो भी करना कर लो
सब चीजें आइस है, आइस ट्रे, आइस क्रीम, आइसक्रीम स्कूपर, वाह। और आइस में का नाम है एक सेकंड हेलो आइसक्रीम तुम किससे पूछ के लाए ऊपर की थैंक यू एक से हम फाइनली अब जे है जैसे जापान
खींच दांत पकड़ेगा उसे बिल्कुल प्लास से दे दो प्लास आधे से खिंचवा ले दो आधे विल यू बी एबल टू पुल
ठीक है ना
खेलो अब हेयर बैंड लगा
मुझे खेलना नहीं मुझे
जो करना है करो हेयर बैंड लगा
लेकिन दो ही ऑप्शन है ना यार चलो ठीक है फिर से लेकिन हमने स्कोर कर दिया है
अरे ये जो ब्रेकफास्ट डोसा, राइस, इडली, सांभर, चटनी. Sambar, chutney. Who prepared? Shop. You went to shop nearby. Parcel. Online. Online parcel. Or you went parcel and came back. Which shop? Nearby only. You went or your father went? You were sleeping. Good. मुझे सामान नोट कर लेना क्या क्या लाना है. टमाटर, प्याज दो टमाटर, लौकी, अंडा, अंडा और वाइट ब्रेड. 4 चीजें लानी.
तो ये क्या करेगी?
ये अंडे देगी यहाँ पे तब तक.
यहाँ पे
तो अभी खेल लो, बाद में मैं ले आऊँगा. तुम बाद में
नहीं.
शाम को तो तुम जाओगी ना वैसे भी.
नहीं.
Okay, done.
Okay. So can you tell me in this case what was the scenario? Like whether your buy point got triggered or sell point got triggered, or what happened?
The buying point got triggered.
Okay. And then after that your stop loss hit or target hit?
The target.
So what was your stop loss?
Too bright.
17658.
It's new.
I'm asking you, tell me na. How is the brightness?
But stop loss, it looks like stop loss got hit here, right? How you calculated? See 1 second.
The entry price.
Your high price was 17694, 17694, and low price was 17597, 17597. So it is 48.5 points stop loss, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what was your entry price?
17706.
17706. So your stop loss is 17657.5 or 176.658, right?
Top loss was 17658.
Yes. And here you can see on the next candle it's 17655. So it went below your stop loss. So that means that your stop loss got hit in this case, right?
Okay.
You can see the next candle. I have placed my cursor on the next candle. You can see that the low was 17655. So your stop loss was hit from the 3 points. Right? And what was your target?
17754.
177?
54.
Okay. So in this case, your stop loss got hit and your target didn't hit, because you can see the high of this candle, right? Next candle high is 17748.
Okay.
And your target was
17754.
54, right? But it didn't reach that target, right? So that target didn't hit, and in that case, the stop loss got it, right? So we can see that there is not 100% in the trading. So you have to trade in the same fashion everything. So out of 10 trades, maybe 6 or 7 trades will be successful, and rest 3 or 4 trades will be stop loss. Right? This clear?
Yes.
So let's check the last hammer. So this one. High price is 17842 and low price is 17729. So now you tell me which side trade you will take in this case.
The selling.
You calculate from points now which side it got it. See, you have to put the triggers at both the sides, right? High and low price. So, what was your entry price towards the buy side?
The entry price will be 17857.
57, right? And you can see here, right? What was the high price made on the next candle? 867. 863. So that means that your buy order was triggered, right? And what was your stop loss?
चलो कोई बात नहीं, जीत गया ना, फिर हो गया ना,
17800.5.
Stop loss, right? So your stop loss also got it in this case, right?
After 5 days of you were saying not now to trigger testing is just that one, isn't it?
So instead of not now, say yes now to Tata 1 MG Lab.
Check the low price.
जो जीतेगा खेलो जाके अबे जो जीतेगा खेलो उसको भी ले जाओ आधे बेबी को भी वहाँ खेलो जाके वो भी तो खेलना चाहती है
पहले ना इसको ना बेबी पसंद नहीं थे, अब इसको पसंद आने लगे।
Any doubt? Any doubt? If you have, please ask.
The target price will be 17913.
No, but your stop loss got hit, no?
Yes.
Fine, this is clear. See, you have to be like that. Sometimes your stop loss will get it, sometimes your target will get hit, right? So once you do it, once you practice it for some long time, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, then after some time you will come to know that in the starting you have to take the trade as per the this thing only, high and low. You have to put the triggers both the sides. Whichever side it got triggered, you have to take the trade based on that. But once you get the experience, then you may be able to correlate which side the market can go, right? So this was the uptrend and the hammer, and the previous one was the downtrend and the hammer, right? So this is clear to you? Any doubt in this, Hammer?
No, it's clear.
Okay, fine. So have you applied for the DMAT?
Not yet. I'll do it today or tomorrow.
Because it will take some time for them also. 2-3 days they will take.
Okay.
Because
I'll do it.
see, because it is important. If you have a DMAT account, we can do the live trading, and then for you it will be easy to know, right? Because this is all theory part, right? You can do it, but once you do a live trade, then you will get practice more.
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll come back to the slides. One second. You can see my screen. So this we have finished Hammer. So this is clear to you. Now we have one more candle called Doji. D-O-J-I. Right. D-O-J-I. So it looks like a plus sign, right, to you? Like this. The perfect doji will be like this, but sometimes you can see some small body will be there, or sometimes you can see a big body will be there, right? But the perfect one will be like this only, like a plus sign, right? And it could be green or it could be red, but it doesn't matter at this level also. Can be green or red. It has to trade in the same fashion, right?
Okay.
And it also has 4 prices: open price, high price, low price, and close price, right? See, there are 2 ways to identify a doji. One is you can identify through plus sign, and second thing is if you see that open price is equal to the close price, then also you can recognize it as a doji candle, right? Because this is a plus sign, and here open and close price will be on the same line. So that is why open and close price will be same in a perfect doji. Right?
Okay.
I will show you one doji on the chart. See, you can see this. I have put my cursor on one candle. See, this is the candle. You can see the candle, right?
Yes.
So, this is the candle. And if I put my cursor on this candle, you can see the prices at the top. Open and close prices are almost same, right? It's just a 0.1 difference. Open and close price, right? Open is 18118.45 and close is 18118.55, right? So almost same. So you can consider this as a doji, right? And now how you have to trade the doji? You have to trade the doji in the same manner as you have traded the hammer, right? High and low price. Same thing you have to consider. Only the stop loss will change if you want. See, there are different ways to put the stop losses depending on trader to trader. For one trader, the stop loss can be different. For another trader, the stop loss can be different. So for you, you have to, once you start the trading, you have to identify by yourself what will be your stop losses as per your psychology, as per your money emotions and all those things, right? So it can change your stop losses. So for now, you can consider the same way to calculate whatever you have done for hammer.
Okay.
High and low divided by 2, 50% of the candle. Right. So in this case, can you try to calculate once?
The stop loss will be 18124.5.
Hmm. So you have taken which trade? Buy trade or sell trade?
Buy.
Okay, fine. Fine. So you have to calculate in the same manner as you have done for hammer, right? Is clear?
Yes.
Okay. So these are the two main candles that we have to focus on first for trading, right? Okay. Now coming on to the indicators, right? In one slide I have explained you, right? There will be certain candlestick, indicators and patterns, right? So candles, we have focused on two candles which we have to trade. Mostly we will trade these two candles only, hammer and doji. But there are some other candles that we should know, but we will not trade it. That I will tell you later. Okay. So now we will start the indicators, right? So what are indicators? See, you can trade based on the candles, but indicators are the thing that will give you confirmation on your trade, right? So right now you have traded hammer and doji, right? But you have to place your orders at both the high price and low price, but you are not sure in which direction the market will go, right? So to increase your this thing, you have to use the indicators along with the candles, so that you will get a confirmation which side the trade can go. And the indicators can be used to find the stop loss and targets also. So once you learn the indicators, then no need to calculate the stop losses and targets manually as we have been doing, right? Once you plot the indicators on the chart, the indicators will self tell you what will be the targets and what will be the stop losses. So first we will talk about pivot points. Pivot points. So pivot points means we have two things in pivot points: support
तुम्हारे माइके में वो जो लड़की है तुम जानते हो the shadow could be a manifestation of your dark thoughts MBBS
Hello, can you hear me?
concept of shadow.
Yes, I can.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
The nightmares you
Okay. So I was explaining you the indicators, right? So first indicator we will talk about pivot points, right? So pivot points. So in pivot points we have two things, support and resistance, right? So do you understand what is support, resistance, or have you heard these words earlier? You have not heard earlier these words, right? No idea.
No idea.
Okay, fine. So let's say you have a ball and you want to play with a ball, right? If you are playing in the room, you have floor and ceiling, right? So once you throw the ball on the floor, it will hit the floor and then it will bounce back to the ceiling, right? And then again, after hitting ceiling, it will bounce back again to the floor, right? So floor is your support and ceiling is your resistance. Understood or not?
Confused yet.
What's the confusion? Tell me.
Like how the floor is the support.
See, if you are throwing the ball on the floor, it is not going down. It is hitting the floor and it is coming back, right? If you go to a, let's say now you are going out of the room, right? Now you will throw a ball in the air, right? After throwing the ball in the air, what will happen?
It will bounce back.
But for every person, there will be a different height, right? The more force you will apply, the more it will go high, and after that it will bounce back towards you, right? But if both the persons were in the same room and they will throw the ball, it will 100% bounce from the ceiling, right? It won't go beyond the ceiling. It will go beyond the ceiling only when you break the ceiling, right? When you push with a hammer or when you push with a heavier object at the ceiling, then it will break and it will go towards the sky, right? So that is why I'm telling that it's a resistance for me as of now. But once we break that ceiling, then that resistance will open and it will go high. But we have to push that ceiling with a lot of force, right? So in trading also you have two lines like this, support and resistance. Okay, and the price will move between these points. Okay, whenever that particular stock or price will get a lot of volume, if there are more buyers, number of buyers, or there is more volume, then it will cross the resistance and will go towards the next resistance, R2. Same thing, if it crosses the R2 resistance with the more volume, then it will go towards the R3 resistance, right? Same thing on the support side. When you have so many sellers are there, and if you have so many volume in sellers, then it will go towards the support 1, and then support 2, and then support 3. Likewise, the price will keep on moving between two range. So it's a kind of range, you can see that, right? It's a range. So once you have more volume, the range will break. If the volume is normal, the range will not break. The price will move in the same range like this. Understood support and resistance, or still any doubt is there?
Understood.
Now I will show you on the chart how it looks like. See, now I have plotted the indicator. You can see that this is the indicator I have plotted points. I went to indicators here and I have put the pivot points here.
I can't see it.
Can't see the indicator screen. One second.
No.
One second. See, this is my chart. Okay. You can see now the chart.
Yes.
Now, if I go to studies, I will put here pivot points, right? Pivot points. Now you can see there are certain lines are formed, right? So these are the support and resistance lines. Okay. So I'm plotting a 10 minutes time frame. Okay. Or maybe half an hour time frame, right? This is a half an hour time frame.
Okay.
But here resistance is not visible. I have to use one day only. See, now you can see certain lines here, red line and green lines. See this line, black line, red line, right? See, now you have to see the price, where the price is. If the price is here, then this line will be called as resistance. And the below line will be called as support. Right? And if this price crosses the resistance and comes here, then this line was resistance earlier, right? Well, this was resistance earlier. Now it will become the support because the price has already crossed this line.
Okay.
So now this will become support and this will become resistance. Same thing, whenever the price keeps on moving, the support will change to resistance. If the price moves down, then the support will change to resistance, right? Let's say the price is here and price is here, and this is my support 1 and this is my support 2, right? So whenever my price comes here, then this line will become my resistance 1 and this line will become my support 1. So like this it keeps on changing because the price is dynamic in nature. It keeps on changing. It is not static. Based on the volume, based on the number of buyers and sellers, the price will keep on changing. So our support will become resistance and the resistance will become support, right? It will keep on changing, right? Is this clear? Any doubt in this? Support resistance lines?
It's clear.
So now how we can use these support and resistance lines to find our stop loss and targets, right? So let's say this is my candle. This is a candle light. We have one line here and we have one line here. Right? And one line is in the middle, right? It is here. Right? So let's say you want to take a trade on this candle, right? So you have to mark the high and low price as you have done earlier. You will find the stop loss and targets manually, right? So currently, what is the price of this stock? It is 3692, right? And you just note down the high price. What was the high price? 3788.
$3788.
You can see here, right? 88.85. And low prices?
3362.
So now what you have to do? You have to take a trade whenever a high price is broken or a sell trade whenever a low price is broken, right? You have to follow the same theory. The high price is broken, then you have to take a buy trade. If the low price is broken, you have to take the sell trade, right?
Sell.
You have to follow the same theory in also. Now, you have the high price and the low price. Now you have to find the targets. If the high price crosses, then your target will be this line, next line. You can see the next line. This one, 3974. So the high is 3788.85. What will be your entry price? The entry price will be something around 3800, right? So your entry price is 3800 and your target price will be this here, 3978, because we have a resistance line here, right? You can see this line. So now no need to calculate the targets manually. You can use this line to find your targets.
Okay.
Clear? Any doubt? And stop loss will be same in this case, like 50% you can see. But targets you can use this line to use it, right?
Okay.
Same thing, if the low price is broken, you have to take a sell trade. Then your target will be this line, black line.
Okay.
The nearest line you can think of. Whatever the nearest line of your entry price, that will be your targets. Whether it's towards the upside or it's towards the downside.
Down.
The downside. So nearest line will be your target. Fine. This is clear. Any doubt in this?
No.
Right. Then I will give you an example. Okay, now this is the example. Right. See, this candle is getting formed now because the market is live. So this candle is getting formed now. So you can take a trade here, right?